we have a problem, unfortunately.
Oh God, no.
There is a creeper problem.
2 creepers.
2 creeper problems. And we have 2 decisions.
Sugar.
Oh, you dare blow that up. We could just whack it with a diamond sword really quickly, but that would be so risky. No, it's going to set off. It's going to set off.
Oh, man.
So, we don't know
I can
whether
walk
to
it
just
out.
whack it really hard with a diamond sword and it'll die.
Maybe if I
But that's
walk it
risky
out.
in case our controller suddenly disconnects or something. Or we
I'll
could...
walk it out.
Yeah, that's actually... Get the other creeper on you. But then it's going to follow you back in. Should let it explode down there.
There we go. That's that sorted. Right, and it hit this creeper once, don't I?
Yeah. And then fly away super quick. God, man.
Risky move. Oh God.
It's stuck on the
Back down.
block. It's funny how it just swivels around and it's like, oh, you again. Let it explode.
Yay!
Or just shell it in if you really want.
Clever Callum. Oh, another one.
Yeah, just leave it.
No, because what if it gets in
Just
our
explode it there then.
thing? No, because it might get too close.
No, put it in the water. Oh well.
Oh,
Gone.
exploded. Okay, I'm just going to
Okay, we'll
get
be
rid
back
of
now.
these.
Can you show the people, like...
These guys.
Can you show the people what it's like at the moment, the actual TNT?
Yep.
So that's kind of what we're doing this for. I bet there's going to be another creeper. It's a massive area.
Massive area. Like,
Well,
think
not
about-
very big area. We gave up when we thought it was going to be too
Think about though, that all blown up. And we're going to make... I'm going to start these and... Oh God.
Just leave it
Yeah.
until we get there. We're going to probably go in some places, but just leave it seriously
Okay.
until we get there.
Oh,
We're probably going to... No, because it'll blow up the sand underneath it.
I'll just put this in here. Since I've got the chance, I might as well. There we go.
Don't blow it off then.
No.
Right, okay, so we might actually make the things, like make little things going down.
Like tunnels, like...
Tunnels going down with TNT in.
And they're going to be full of TNT.
Yeah. So it'll blow up the ground underneath as well. Okay, see ya.